Josh here with coinminingrigs.com. We're just going to go ahead and go through the process of signing up with FTX, one of the best trading platforms on the market for trading cryptocurrencies. If you're in the US, they have a separate website, FTX US, which is what we're looking at here because I'm US based. If you are located outside the US, FTX.com is the one that you want to go to sign up. So with that being said, let's get started. Right in the center of the screen here, you'll see I'm going to go ahead and type in my email address, tradewithftx@gmail.com. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So we'll go ahead and enter a very long password. We'll click to verify. And this is a fun little CAPTCHA. Basically drag the block over, drop it in the hole, boom. And there we go. Sign up. Creating account. Account's created. And this is one of the things that you definitely want to do. Anytime you're creating an account where you're moving money around, just secure that account with two-factor authentication. So I like Google Authenticator. Just make sure to back up your codes, and that'll help prevent any future loss. Next, they want to know where you're located, and the reason for this is not all states in the U.S. Allow FTX to operate. I believe it's New York that is still a little archaic there, hasn't gotten approval. But go ahead and enter your location, state, and click next. Now that you've signed up with FTX, let's take a look at the markets and ways that you can trade on the platform. We won't get into all of the details of creating sub-accounts and trading futures and some of those things, but let's just take a look here. This is your classic BTC USD chart. They have TradingView integrated into the platform, which is really nice for professional traders who are used to using TradingView for charting. We can go here to the 4-hour, grab the trend line tool, and for example, we could say, okay, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this bull flag, and we can just kind of see the flag developed there. Very basic, but you can see here Bitcoin in late December of 2020 came right up against the all-time high here. Massive breakout and a little bit of consolidation before a just incredible run. Doubled the price from $20,000 all the way up to over $40,000. Then big dump, and it created this kind of flag pattern. And we can see that here at the end of January, beginning of February, that bull flag has broken out to the upside. It came back down briefly to test that breakout area, and now it's going to continue to run up here. Here we have another fun chart. Of course, this is Doge, the meme coin, and we can see how Wall Street Bets got involved here and just sent this from about it was under a penny. It was less than a penny. From under a penny all the way to almost 9 cents. Yeah. Here on the US platform, you're basically limited to just the spot market. Unfortunately, US regulations being what they are, you can only trade spot, not derivatives, and but you still have a number of options here. Let's just limit it to USD here, since you'll be trading from that most likely. And you can sort by daily change. Sushi is a decentralized exchange platform, and that one is doing quite well today. You can sort the other direction and go Bitcoin Cash, not so much. Under settings, and that's just the gear icon at the very top right, let's just take a look at some of these settings quickly. You can change your password here. You can enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. You can set a password for withdrawals. That way, if somebody hacks into your account, they're still not able to withdraw any of your money because you have a separate password for that. All kinds of neat security features that are useful. You can also do destination whitelisting. So basically, if someone tries to break in, gets the wrong, enters in their own ETH address or Bitcoin address, it's just not going to go through because you haven't whitelisted it. And then, of course, you want to verify your identity for increasing your withdrawal limits. You can trade with margin on FTX, and you can enable that here. Referrals. Of course, if you are watching this video, you know that there's a referral link in the description here on YouTube. And that one is Coin Mining Rigs. If you sign up for FTX and you're referred by someone, you can enter their referral code here. Fees. Fees are basically what FTX charges you on top of the trade. So for example, if you want to buy Bitcoin with US dollars, they're going to charge you an additional 0.1%, which is actually quite low, in order to buy Bitcoin. You'll see your volume, your trading volume here. Here you can create sub-accounts so that you can trade your funds separately. Let's say you wanted to have an account where you want to take YOLO longs with 10x leverage. You can create a separate sub-account that only has that money that you really want to risk in that sub-account without blowing up your entire main account. Here we have the wallet, and this is where you'll be depositing or withdrawing your funds. FTX also has very nice iOS and Android apps that you can use to buy and sell crypto. So that wraps up my review of FTX US. Go ahead and click the link below if you want to open up your own account, and give me a follow as well if you find this information helpful, as I will be posting more articles on how to trade, how to mine, and generally just how to have fun in the world of cryptocurrency.